how to enable or disable developer options on Samsung phones. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable or disable developer options on your Samsung phone. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap About Phone. Then select Software Information. Find Build Number and tap it 7 times. You may be asked to enter your PIN, pattern, or password. Complete the verification to enable developer options. Now, go back to the main settings screen and scroll down to the bottom. You'll see Developer Options below About Phone. Tap it to open the menu. To disable developer options, turn the switch at the top off. That's it. You've successfully learned how to enable or disable developer options on your Samsung phone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Samsung tips, Android tutorials, and step-by-step tech guides.